I'm back and I'm here to share with you guys my Walmart haul. You will see my daughter right in this area right here. She threw all the stuffed animals on the bottom of the steps and she's running and jumping on them, and she does have a diaper on. It looks like she doesn't have any pants on, but she didn't want to put her pants back on. So just give you a heads up, this little girl's a wild thing. But anyways, let's get started for today. So like I said, my weekend warrior always pops up like when I'm in the store, and this time it was 18 rebates, and I was just like, do I want to hit it? Yes or no? I don't know if I want to hit it or not. So I'm just like trying to think of like, do I want? And I'm like, let's just do it, because everybody is in a different financial situation than I am in, than most people are. Everybody's in a different financial situation. So some of the stuff that I don't need, you guys might need it. And that's why I try to share with many deals as I possibly can. A lot of you guys might need like 1 or 2 items to finish a bonus or something. And I just want to help everybody as much as I can. So yes, today my out-of-pocket was just a little bit more, but like I say, I always try to get, my goal is to get under $20. Under $20, I'm happy with it. I mean, the lower the better, but you know what, that's fine, that's fine. So, yeah, so the Weekend Warrior, it was called Weekend Wonderland. I needed 18 rebates for $5, and then I'll share with you guys all the bonuses when I get to the end. So this is something I was looking for everywhere. This is the Gatorade Zero with protein. Now this is over in like the sports food, kind of like where Slim Fast, it's kind of in the pharmacy area where like Slim Fast and stuff is. This is where it was. But this was $5.98. You pay $5.98 for this, but there is a $3 Ibotta rebate for this, and there is a 1,500 points for Fetch Rewards, which is $1.50. So this just comes out to be $1.48 or 37 cents each. If you guys want to go ahead and get that, that's a great deal. They had the, what is this? The cool blue, the fruit punch, and then the white one, which I cannot remember what the white one was. But in case you guys need some stuff. Okay, I got a lot of cold items this time. And what I love is it's so cold outside that I didn't want to unpack all this. I just threw the bag outside of my deck. And yeah. So I ended up getting, yeah, it is cold because these are frozen again. So these were the riced veggies. I've actually made meals with these before, and I should look to make more meals with this because I love cauliflower. So these are $2.64. You want to buy 2 of them, you'd pay $5.28 for these. But there is a 500 swag bucks deals, which is $5. So these come out to be just $1.28 or 64 cents each, and I will take it because that's like a meal right there. That's 2 meals right there that you can, you know, give your family. So I was looking everywhere online for this. The app did not tell me that they had it. I've been noticing that some stuff doesn't show up on their app, and then I go to the store and they have it. So this is the Daring. This is plant-based chicken. So anyways, these were these were $5.94. You'd pay that price, but then you can submit a $2.10 rebate with Ibotta. Now on the Shop Kicks app, it showed that you get 370 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.48. But when I submitted my receipt, 700 points popped up for submitting my receipt. So technically I got 715 kicks for purchasing this, which comes out to be, sorry, I just found a chalk. Yeah, but 750 comes out to actually be $2.86. So this just come out to be just 98 cents for this. So I thought that's a pretty good deal. Doesn't say how many you get in here, but yeah. So I got this anyways because this is something that my husband needs anyways. We have a sweater party coming up, and you know, he just likes to mix some drinks, and he always wastes like a can of soda. So these are like the perfect size for him. So this is something I was planning on getting anyways. So this was $2.68. You'd pay $2.68 for it. But then there's a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just $2.18. So I didn't figure out how much it costs per can, but like I said, this is something we'll actually use anyways, so that is the reason why I got that. Now this is something I got mad at. So this morning, this salsa was on here. When I was at the store, it was on here. And then when I submitted my receipt, it was gone. So the fresh salsa, this is over by the produce section. This was $2.98. You pay $2.98 for it. But there is an 88-cent rebate with Checkout 51. And now Checkout 51 and Swagbucks are a sister website or app, whatever. You guys have to use 2 different emails if you're gonna do this deal. But anyways, you get 88 cents back with Checkout 51. I was supposed to get 150 points, which is $1.50 with Swagbucks, but it disappeared. So depending on what happens, it's either $2.10 or 60 cents. And I thought for 60 cents, that's a great deal. But I got this for tomorrow anyways. If it doesn't matter, we always do chips and salsa anyways. So I ended up finally finding the Tazo tea. This is the only flavor that they had, but this was $1.68. $1.68. This was up in the refrigerators, up by the registers. You pay $1.68 for it, but then you get $1.98 back with Ibotta. This comes out to be just a 30-cent money maker. So I was happy to finally find something like that. I got a new drink, watermelon water. So this was $2.48. You pay $2.48, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.48. So my husband loves trying new drinks. Like, he's just like, ooh, what do you got today? What do you got today? So I got the Suja drink again. This was $1.98. I used that $1 off printable coupon from coupons.com. You pay 98 cents, but then you get a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 23 cents. So yes, I'm just gonna put some stuff back in the bag. And I just dropped something. Okay, so I got some Fanta, don't you want a Fanta? I just remembered when my husband and I had our first Halloween together, there was girls dressed up as Fanta, and I remember getting our picture taken with them. It's just funny. And then they're singing Fanta. Anyways, so this was $1.98. I just got this because my son's, you know, I get him a treat every once in a while. So I paid $1.98, but this is actually considered one of the Coke rebates. I read the thing and it said you don't have to do just Coke. So I got this, so you get a 25-cent rebate with this. So this comes out to be just $1.73. So not the greatest deal, but you want some of this? Can you wait till Benjamin gets home and then I'll give you some? Okay? Okay. Next bag we got. Now I was excited to do this deal, you guys, because I brought the printable coupon. There's $1 off printable coupon. These are $2.98, okay? But there was a deal for these on Shopkicks, but mine hasn't reset. But when I submitted my receipt, I totally forgot to submit that. No, I couldn't. Anyways, but there are 2 different dollar rebates with Ibotta. So you end up just getting this for 2-cent moneymaker, so absolutely free. So $2.98, use the $1 off printable coupon, pay $1.98. Submit 2 $1 off rebates with Ibotta, making it a 2-cent moneymaker. And then if you still haven't done the Swagbucks, definitely go ahead and do the Swagbucks deal. It comes out to be an even bigger moneymaker. So I ended up getting the Love's diapers. I wanted to take full advantage of the Love's diapers. So these were $5.47. Yeah, I'll give you some in just a second, okay? This deal ends, like, by the time I post this video, the deal will probably be ending. But $5.47, there's a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $3.47. Can't go wrong with diapers. We always need diapers, don't we? Diapers. Okay, so this is a deal I'm kind of embarrassed to get. I was talking to the girls that I went on the Richmond trip, and they're like, just do it, who cares? So I got condoms, okay? These were ringing up. I checked online before all my prices, and these were showing up $4.59. I'm like, sweet, a moneymaker. Then I get to the store, and they are marked down $6.28. But then the app again says $4.59, but they rung up $6.28. So I'm just like, whatever, I'm not gonna have them put it back because of the wrong price. So these were $12.56 for 2 of them. With Swagbucks, you get 600 points for purchasing 2 of them, so that's $6. And then with Checkout 51, you get $2.27 for each one that you purchase. So these come out to be just $2.02. That's $1 a pack. There is 12 in each one. The girls were saying you guys could donate these to the high school. Any place that you guys need them, you know, I'm just like, okay. So the next deal I got is the Hungry Jack mashed potatoes. These were $2.78. Used a dollar off insert coupon. You'd pay $1.78 for this, but then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.03. So I'm gonna probably donate a bunch of food right before Christmas. I'm gonna donate a bunch of food because some of the stuff I'm just getting just to show you guys deals, but it's great to donate. I do donate like crazy. I might not look like I do, but I do. So I ended up getting these Werther mini candies. These are up by the registers. These were $1.48. You buy 2 of them, you'll pay $2.96. But with Swagbucks, you get 300 swag points, which is $3 back. So this ends up becoming a 4-cent moneymaker. So yes, I had to go down a couple aisles to get these because not every aisle has it. So I got that. Did the Quaker oatmeal again. These were $2.64. You pay $2.64 for it, but then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.14. So yes. Okay, I ended up doing this deal. This deal was like ending within a couple hours after I was doing this, and I'm like, sweet, I want to do this deal. I should actually put these in the car. So I ended up doing the Clorox to-go wipes. These were 97 cents. You'd buy 2 of them, you pay $1.94. But then with Ibotta, you get $1.75 off a 2 rebate, making these just 19 cents. That's like 10 cents a piece, and there is 9 wipes in here. Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay. Ended up doing the Cheetos deal. I had another Cheetos container. My daughter must have taken it with her. But I ended up getting the microwavable one. And I ended up getting this one. She probably took it with her. That's the only thing I can think of because I don't have it in my hand. Or it's still in the car. But these were 96 cents. You pay 96 cents for it. But then there's a 20-cent rebate for each one. That comes out to be just 76 cents. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Man, I think I left it in the car. That's okay. It's okay. I'm not heartbroken. So, okay. So I did the CoverGirl. This is the face product. This was $5.94. I used a $3 off insert coupon. Paid $2 for this. But then the final price, or paid $2.94. You get $2 back with Ibotta, making this just 94 cents. Then I ended up getting this lipstick. This was also $5.94. I didn't see an insert coupon, but I did scan my coupons.com app and a $1 coupon popped up. So I'm like, sweet. So I buy it. Okay, you get $2 back with Ibotta and you get a $1 back with checkout 51. And then I tried submitting my receipt to coupons.com and it says this does not match. I did scan this before I purchased it and it did say we have a match. Then when I submit my receipt, it says it does not match. So I sent them a message. You kind of do like a chat thing with them on the website or on the app, and then it says that they contact you back. So I'm still waiting. Yeah, I'm still waiting for a response, but I'm like, can you guys help me out here? So if it works, it comes out to be 94 cents. That's why I did it that way. So stuff's just not going right with me today. And then the last item I got is the Clean and Clear. I got Gentle Cleanser. This was $6.27. I used a $1.50 printable coupon from coupons.com. You'd end up paying just $4.77, but then you get $3 back with Ibotta. And then when you purchase this, you actually get a $1 bonus with Ibotta. So this comes out to be just 77 cents, which is a great deal. They've done that a couple times where you buy something and then you get like the instant bonus just for buying that one item. I don't know if they just want to surprise you or not. I have no idea. Oh, you got your Minnie Mouse ears on? You look so pretty. So pretty. Okay. So, my total came to be $74.88. All my coupons scanned. I ended up getting $24.98 back with Ibotta. I got 1,300 points with Swagbucks, which is $13. With Shopkicks, I got 715 points. That's $2.86. Checkout 51, I got $6.42. Fetch Rewards, I received 1,993 points, which is $1.99. Coupons.com, I should be receiving a $1 back when I get a hold of them. The Weekend Warrior, I received $5 for getting 18 rebates. And then I also received the $1 Clean and Clear rebate, making my final total just $18.63, or I got 25 items for $74 cents each. So a little bit higher, but that is okay. Like I said, 20 bucks is a pretty decent deal, especially if you guys kind of roll your stuff. You definitely want to go ahead and do it. So out of the 140 rebates, for a while there, I think I couldn't remember how many I needed. I think I needed like 30 something a week. But now my total is 64 rebates out of 140. I need 76 more rebates to finish it. And we're still in the single digits, which I think we're still in the single digits. No, today's the 10th. Anyways, but if I average about 25 a week, I will definitely hit it. Or 4 a day, I will definitely hit it. So I'm pretty excited with that. So like I said, we're going to challenge myself to try to help you guys out. Try to see if we can handle it. It's a little bit high, but you know what? That's okay. It's kind of fun to have something to look forward to. I mean, yes, it's couponing, but it's something to look forward to. Hit that challenge. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. You just push the red button. It's absolutely for free. I'm here to share with you guys deals and more deals, everything that you need to know about saving money and all that other jazz. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.